Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick review on the Hangorize standard hangers that you can get from Walmart, and we'll see how they look, and if they're any good, I will recommend them or not. Anyway. Alright, here we go. Alright, so they look pretty standard. The plastic is pretty thin, so maybe a little bit flimsier than what I'm used to, but we'll try them out, and in a week or so, if they are broken, then we'll know what to say about them, and if they survive a couple of weeks, then I guess they're good. But so far, I mean, if I just go like this, they don't seem like they're going to snap right away. So not too bad considering how thin the plastic is, but we'll have to see if you put a heavy jacket on them, if they'll survive. Alright, hope this guys helps you with your purchases, and I'll see you in the next video.